What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is, for those who are new, this is my journey to the 2026 Hot Rod Power Tour. I'm taking my 91 Camaro Z28 convertible with a 305. We're gonna beef that thing up, take it out, and hopefully get the long hauler award, or whatever you want to call it. And for those who don't know what the Power Tour is, it's a massive event. It is a 5-day rolling car show that spans over a number of different states. So each day you're going to a different venue, and at those venues they have certain events, whether it be a drag strip or an autocross track, and obviously the car show. So that is the plan. We're super excited for it, but next time you see a new video, it's going to be myself and my cousin and I, and pulling the motor, transmission, and getting it ready, throwing it up on a engine stand so I can work on it, get the heads and all that good jazz. So hope you enjoy the video. I'm super excited.
All right, so what we're going to work on right now is disconnecting the rest of the wiring harness and working on disconnecting the transmission lines and the shift cable thingy, whatever they call it, and that's what we're going for. So let's see where we're at. Hope you guys are enjoying this. For me, at least, I can tell you this: this has been great. I've really enjoyed this whole thing so far. It's been a lot of fun. You know, it's what's really interesting is how much you really start to appreciate your vehicle. More and more as you get more in depth into the breakdown and everything with it. So it's pretty cool. It's actually really cool. So it's been great. I got a bunch of tools in my pocket here, so nice and interesting. Okay. Oh, shit. I'm supposed to give that to my wife. Oh, look at that. Mike, great job. First, that was just a guess on what size that was going to be. Proud of myself on that one. That is not common. Bloop. That just comes right out there. And this. Who's calling? Oh, the United States. Ah, fuck my nose. God damn it. My nose has not been getting a break lately. I'm coming off of a sinus infection, and for anybody who has one of those things suck ass. I guess it depends on who you ask. Some people might enjoy that. Let's get a better look here. Okay, there's a clip there. Release that. Just get a bit of light in there. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we'll get a little closer. And what I'm looking at is right here. It looks like there's a little clip in there that you can release, so that pulls out, so when you pull the transmission, you're not pulling it with it. So I'm going to attempt to figure out the best way to do that is you just push down on it. Jesus Christ, Mike. Let's get a little more organized, huh? This is the right way to do it, but probably not. Over there. Why do people just remove these? Maybe that's the better way to do it. You can try that, right? Just remove these bolts up here where that bracket is and release the bracket itself instead of fucking around with everything. Now, that could also lead to a whole other issue, which just get really fucking messy, but we're gonna find out. Oh, that was easy. Hopefully, this isn't gonna create a massive issue with transmission fluid going all over me. That'd be kind of a bummer right now. I'm hoping just 2 bolts won't cause that issue. Be very gentle. I'm hunting for wabbits. Oh, you need an extender. But wait, there's more. It's not the best idea, but we're gonna give it a shot just for time savings. It's a little bit too big, but we'll see. The other one came off with not much tension, so oh, Michael. Lefty Lucy. Here we go. Oh, so nice. And now we got that. That's probably why you don't do it like that, but whatever. It's probably why you use the right size socket so it doesn't get stuck in there. But hey, no one said I was perfect. All right, so that works. That's the way to do it, right? We'll have to get that out. And it's out. So now, let's put them back. Now we'll go get the right size to go tighten them. That's not going in the right way, Mike. Transmissions freak me out. It seems like there's so many smaller, just very intricate pieces to every friggin' piece of them. I am gonna, after I get this motor done, and maybe this is not the smartest thing, but I do plan on working on the rear end Figure makes more sense to, kind of build that up a little bit more with all the extra power that's going to be going to it. I'd like to think that's the smart decision. All right, so let's move on here. We got some more. Bring you over here so you can see a little better. I got some more. There we go. Little sensors to get off. There we go. I don't know if that's a sensor per se, but I think you all know what I mean. Let's see. Get a better vantage point. I'm gonna do my best to avoid you guys being able to see my fucking monstrosity of a bald head. Because that was, I'm sure it wasn't fun for you. Sure as hell wasn't fun for me. I was like, God damn, dude, you're fucking bald. Give it up, bro. Give it up. And there's one more way down over here. I'm really not sure what each of these are, so I do apologize for not explaining. It's right, can't really see it, but it's right there. This bracket's blocking it, but I don't know if this is the, yeah, I really don't know what this one is particularly for, but maybe this is like the speed sensor or something along those lines. There we go. Okay. Getting there, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, it's funny, right? I always say this, and I'm sure we've all seen the memes, the videos. I first saw it was a video of some dude just cleaning up his bike, and he's polishing it, making it look all pretty, and he's like, this has got to be the gayest thing that I've ever done. I spend all this time wiping it down, shining it up, with some hope some other dude's gonna tell me it looks good, which I thought was really funny. All right, I think we can move on to the other side. I think I got everything so far. That's out. Ow, it's my fucking, good. Cool. Makes sense to pull this down a little bit, probably. Make sure it's all gonzo. I like it. All right, cool.